Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Verdegem. I'm the former Chief Science Officer at Unicity International, and today I'd like to discuss with you BioSlife Slim, because I'm really excited about this product, BioSlife Slim. I'll tell you why. BioSlife Slim is today's nutritional breakthrough in the dietary supplement industry. Now, I know that because I was responsible for the development of BioSlife Slim. It's not a product that has been out there just a couple of weeks. No, it's a product that's been on the market for over 15 years. And that's really important because that means it went through several development stages. And today I'm proud to say it's one of the best researched, clinically proven, and patented products out there in the nutritional field. What does it do? Well, most people are interested in BioSlife Slim because it has great results in weight reduction and inches reduction around your waist. And that's because of its unique patented combination of 5 different natural occurring soluble fibers together with Unicity 7X, an ingredient which has been patented and proprietary to Unicity International. This ingredient stimulates your leptin response in your brain, and that means it reactivates your leptin response, meaning that fat is actually going to be burned and used from your fat storage cells. And that's a unique, real mechanism, because in today's world, we're eating a lot of bad foods which are very rich in simple carbohydrates as opposed to complex carbohydrates, and a lot of fats, which is easily absorbed. And that combination makes it very difficult for our body to actively shed fat, shed weight. And BioSlife Slim does that by this unique mechanism of leptin activation. Now, the fibers in BioSlife Slim, because you take it before a meal, are actually going to fill up your stomach and reduce the glycemic index of your food. And that's another unique mechanism because it reduces your glucose peak after the meal. And that's essential to allow your body to start burning fat. That's the unique combination of BioSlife Slim, and probably that's the reason why you want to take this product today, because we're all facing a major issue with getting weight over time. Now, this is important for the whole population, but think about people that have metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a rapidly increasing epidemic in the United States and all over the world, particularly also in Europe, where I'm from. And metabolic syndrome results in all this other types of very serious health issues and complications like cardiovascular disease, like diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes. BioSlife Slim is going to reduce the impact of metabolic syndrome to your body. And because of that, you're probably going to prevent the development of type 2 diabetes or even control your management even better. That is what BioSlife Slim is doing for you. And this concept is patented. It's a unique concept that is proprietary to Unicity International. Now think, if you take BioSlife Slim every day, because you want to lose some weight, that's a great reason to get started. But when you do that, you get a lot of additional benefits. BioSlife Slim also has components that reduce your cholesterol. It's going to reduce your bad cholesterol, or LDL, by approximately 30% in 12 weeks. And at the same time, it's going to increase your HDL by another 30% in the same time frame. That is unique. No pharmaceutical intervention today manages to do both things at the same time. BioSlife Slim can do so because it is a natural combination of ingredients that all work together to reach that one goal. And we know from studies like, for example, the Framingham Heart Study, that if you can reduce LDL and increase HDL at the same time, you're going to have so much bigger impact on your risk reduction for cardiovascular disease development later in life. BioSlife Slim is also going to reduce your triglyceride levels, and that's very important for the development of risk for complications due to metabolic syndrome. BioSlife Slim is present in your stomach before you start eating, and that means the fat is being absorbed, and that fat can no longer enter in your bloodstream to build up the triglyceride levels. Another great benefit of BioSlife Slim and taking it every day. Of course, we're very proud at Unicity to say that our products have been based on peer-reviewed clinical trials, and that's unique. Look at any company today in today's nutritional dietary supplement industry, and there's not that much real clinical studies going on. I'm proud to say BioSlife Slim has been studied by many well-renowned universities throughout the world. Let me tell you, Princeton University, that has proven that BioSlife Slim lowers cholesterol very effectively. The University of Utah is currently working on a clinical study proving that it reduces metabolic syndrome risk. So we have done also studies in type 2 diabetes at university setting in Texas and in Guam. We've done a study in Japan with BioSlife Slim. In Korea, we've studied it in Europe. All these studies have been peer-reviewed and published, which is essential to today's medical professionals. I've also been able to present the results of this study at many medical conferences throughout the world. I can tell you one example of an international cardiology conference which was organized in Venice, where the world's class cardiologists were present, and I was able to show BioSlive Slim and its unique results that it can mean for the treatment of patients with high risk of cardiovascular disease. This information has also been picked up by the American Heart Association. The American Heart Association is normally not so much interested in nutritional supplements to deal with risk factors of cardiovascular disease, but they have found in Unicity a unique partner to prove that nutritional intervention can mean a great deal for the current treatment for people with cardiovascular risk factors today.